Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying exactly what you need: topic, date range, language, and preferred channel type. Once done, open YouTube and sign in so you can use advanced filters and history. In the search bar, type precise keywords or phrases in quotes to reduce noise. Make sure to add channel names or exact titles if you have them. Use the filter menu immediately to select upload date, type, duration, and sort so your results become manageable quickly. Next, refine results using search operators and deeper filtering. For exact matches, use quotes, exclude words with a minus sign, and combine alternatives with or. Use in title to prioritize titles and channel, to limit creators. Then apply duration and features filters. Choose subtitles or 4K if needed. If YouTube search feels limited, run cite, YouTube. Com queries on Google to leverage Boolean logic and broader indexing. Make sure to check upload dates. Finally, open the top results and quickly scan descriptions, timestamps, and pinned comments to confirm relevance before investing time. Once you find good posts, save them to a playlist or watch later and subscribe to channels you'll revisit. If results seem incomplete, clear cache or try incognito to avoid personalization bias. Also broaden keywords, remove strict filters, or extend the date range. If videos still don't appear, check channel privacy or regional restrictions and adjust your search strategy accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.